What's the meaning of bugger? Bugger. Bugger.
Bugger. Bugger. Bugger is a somewhat vulgar term that can be used as a noun or verb, and typically conveys a sense of annoyance or frustration. As a noun, it can refer to a person who is causing trouble or simply behaving badly, while as a verb it can mean to mess something up or to thwart someone's plans. The word likely originated in medieval times as a term for heretics or sodomites, and later became more generalized in its usage. In contemporary English, it is often used in a colloquial or informal manner, and can sometimes be considered offensive depending on the context and tone of the speaker.